In this video we are talking about if Avax continues his bullish momentum to the upside or if we see a move to lower levels. As you can see, after this longer bearish trend to the downside, we now saw this explosion for Avax. And in the last video we were at this prices right here. We broke this supply zone to the upside, but just with this wicks right here, and we saw this correction move to the downside. And technically this supply zone is really strong because we saw this bearish move to the downside and this breakout structure. But I said that the chance is very high that we continue the bullish momentum to the upside. And I said if we are breaking this last highs to the upside, that we then see even higher prices. I will show you now the clip from the last video. And right now we are seeing this upwards move. So I think the chance is higher that we go to the upside. And especially if we are going over this highs right here with a daily or weekly body close, then the chance is extremely high that we see higher prices for Avax. And as you can see, we pumped perfectly to the upside. And right now we took out this last high with this daily body and we are rising in this bigger supply zone. So congrats to everybody who took a trade here on Avax. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Avax, then join my free Telegram group. You will find the link in the description. So as you can see, we have this bullish momentum and right now we came in this supply zone, and from the supply zone we saw this strong move to the downside. So now it's really important that we are breaking this supply zone to the upside with the daily or weekly body close, because if we see this body close, the chance that we see even higher prices is very high for Avax. But right now the chance is also high that we see a retracement right here. So as I said, the supply zone is really strong and the chance that we get it there and then the chance that we see a reaction is very high. But right now Bitcoin and the whole crypto market is also really bullish. So I think the chance is high that we can continue our bullish structure to the upside. And if we now see another break of this last high, then I think the chance is high that we can back in this supply zone. And as long as we don't break this last low to the downside, then I think the chance is high that we see bullish prices. But if we're breaking this last low to the downside with a daily or weekly body close, and especially this last supply zone which we broke to the upside, if we are breaking this, the chance is high that we see even lower prices again. But if anything interesting happens for Avax, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Avax. So all in all, we see this bullish structure to the upside on the weekly time frame. We are also now in a daily bullish order flow again because we broke this supply zone to the upside. And as I said in the last video, the chance is high that we go to the upside again. And now it's really important how we react at this supply zone, because as I said, this supply zone is really strong and the chances there that we see a rejection. But as long as we don't break this last lows right here, then I think the chance is high that we see more bullish prices. And especially if we are continuating to the upside and see a daily or weekly body close over this supply zone, then I think the chance is high that we see an explosion for Avax again. So this was it for this video. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.